challenge to getting over $1 million in funding and then becoming the founder and CEO of one of the world's largest and fastest growing proprietary trading companies. How? Well, I discovered a secret, and to prove it, I analyzed 25,000 accounts and I pulled the insider trading data from our most successful traders, 178 of them. And these are the most profitable traders in our firm. You want to know what percentage they actually risk per trade on average? Well, it's not 1% and it's not even close. 0.5% maximum. Our top performers risk half of what these influencers are teaching, and they're consistently pulling profits while others blow account after account after account. Now, regulations aren't going to allow me to share specific.
Oh, daddy. Mic check. Okay, should be working.
Order filled.
How do I get this to pin? Dude, that kept going way without me. Don't know where it's going.
Rock me, baby. Rock me, baby.
Says Windows Control T. Nope. I feel like illiterate sometimes. Even if it doesn't work. Very good downhill. Always on top. How the fuck can I just stay there? Or I wonder if I just open the trade of it. I don't know. Trade of 8, where are you? Maybe we'll get another short on this pullback.
Iron Beam is the industry-leading broker catering to traders worldwide. With the free Iron Beam platform and free real-time data, you can trade the most popular futures contracts anywhere and from any device. Low day trade margins, free depth of market, hundreds of indicators, and trading directly off the chart. Makes your trading more powerful than ever. Open an account today to trade with the best. Iron Beam.
Ooh. I want to close it all. What the fuck? Oh my god. Shit drives me crazy sometimes. I don't fucking get it. Why do you keep moving? I'm so glad he's gonna run without me.
Order filled.
Getting here.
With over 2 billion monthly users, YouTube Ads makes it easy to expand your reach, target the right audience, and turn viewers into customers. Let your business be seen with YouTube Ads.
fuck do people get this to stay, man? I'm like a fucking dumbass. Wasn't that was a double bottom? I'm not sure. We're gonna figure it out eventually. Okay, now how do I pin this so it doesn't move?
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't want it to stay. I need it to stay there. guys know how to pin Tradevate so it doesn't move? No, I didn't want that. I didn't want it. This looks a little head and shoulder. It's a little sideways, but if we came back up and then went up.
Have you been told only Wall Street pros can generate serious returns trading? Well, I used to think that too, until I built an automated trading system that just did all the work for me. Look, one of my clients in the last 30 days has generated $7,078 with his 100K account. The total account was 14% in just under 90 days.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm just trying to figure out how to pin my profit loss here. It'll be a lot easier, and I see everybody else do it, but I cannot figure out how to get it to stay. How to pin this so it stays here. So once I click off, it goes away. More things to follow. Oh, never mind. It doesn't support all of them. I'm gonna figure it out. Click on it. Windows, Control T. Nothing. This is probably gonna go up if it continues.
Order filled.
See, then I would love to have this right here, so you guys can watch it. This can pull back a little bit, but we're prepared for it. And where's the 5? Look, it's right there. Maybe we'll see what happens. Now I'm a little nervous because it's right at that 5. But this looks very bullish. Can we fucking not do this for now? It's already a little bit overbought. So be careful.
Order filled.
And then I would love to keep this right here. And you guys can see it. But it's saying that I need to download something maybe. Power toys. Power toys. App Store.
Introducing Iron Beam, a bright choice for futures trading. Iron Beam is an industry-leading broker catering to traders worldwide. With 24-hour live support and the free Iron Beam platform, you can trade the most popular.
If you guys are
liquid
joining,
future
drop me a couple
contract.
hearts. Let's get this algorithm going a little bit. All I want to do is just do a simple download of something. Rip City. We're gonna see how it reacts in this area. Now, I usually do not buy these. No. Bro, I swear to God, I am so over this computer.
It's your track, brother. Yeah. All right.
King of Death.
As the relentless tick of the clock counts down, the past becomes the present.
I'm still watching. This was overbought already. I should have got in though, cause things have been like that all day, right? But I usually don't trade like that. Fucking finally. Alright, I'm back. My bad if I missed your messages. I was trying to figure out how to fucking pin this. I don't know about that. I'm just saying today it's different. This whole week has been different. But usually during Trump markets it is different. But in reality, we always come back to the same psychology. We've been the same for fucking how many years we have existed. Costa, thanks for the follow.
Order filled. filled.
I mean, this moved almost, what, 130 points in a couple minutes. Very dramatic. Still in this red, so wait for a denial here soon. And this is a pullback zone. Yellow box, pullback area. If it breaks a low to the downside. I'm on Take Profit Trader, yep. Right here, can you see it? I'm trying to make it so you guys can see what the hell's going on. Oh, that's kind of cool. It shouldn't look different. I mean, I literally have it on a different screen, so maybe that's why it looks different. It's looking really good to continue. I wonder if this has been annoying all day. Just pick a tunnel and keep going.
Order filled.
So my trading view is connected to Tradevate. Now I open Tradevate on a separate window so I can show you the live profit. I would like to zoom in on this to take that out. So that's what I'm doing, Tradevate into this. I would like to zoom in on this though. Going crazy here. Let's see. 5-minute rejection. Let's see what it does here. I've been trying to do what it's been doing all day. It's just bouncing trend lines. But every time I do this, I feel like I'm getting in and it just breaks. But if I wait patiently, it comes back. Mic test. We got. Ooh. All right, signals are popping.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'll keep doing this over and over again if it wants.
Order filled. Order filled.
If you guys can, if you're not following me, help me out. Give me a follow. I gotta switch this algorithm up. It's been fucking with me for weeks. Alright, this sticks. It's gonna be up. But trying to wait and see if it sticks first. We still got 10 seconds. Hey Gugly, sorry I missed your fucking message. I hate when it does this. I might have to get rid of Restream. It just doesn't work good. Unless they have some kind of app. Okay, buy signal stuck. Now how we normally trade this, if the candle closes behind the cloud, it can go below it, it just can't close behind it. If it does, then it's invalid. It is not good anymore. You gotta accept your loss. So fucking small. Dude, All right, it kind of closed below. Might have to accept our loss here. And it completely denied this area. There.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Now, the reason why we're looking at this, maybe it's a little premature, but first candle start closing down should send it.
Discover your new Ford right now at Family Ford. Come lease a 2025 Ford Maverick for $317.
Let's see here. Yeah, we're trying to see if it's gonna, so you see how it went almost closed above the cloud, and now it's ripping back? We need it to start closing below this cloud. We also don't want this either. But nice sign in the 1 minute. Still really jumpy though. Still hard to trade that, so I don't think that was easy. It's in between, Sean. I'm in now for a sell, but it could easily come up and rip me out. Just keep that in mind. Now we got a gray candle, meaning it doesn't know what it wants. Indecisive. So no signal. If you're trading straight signals, we were trying to see if it wants to come back. It's still fighting though. Let's see. Let's look in the 5 minutes still. We're still below. We got 1 minute and 37 seconds. See. It's basically same thing as 9100. It's MNQ futures. There we go. Break above it, but it still needs to break and hold below this box here. This is the indicator I created. This is pullback zone. If it doesn't close below it, then it can come back up to this next box. But we need it to come down and smash through. There we go. We could do let's look at the 30 real quick.
Order filled.
All right, one's out. So it did an update, so that's good. So next area is down here then. If you're using my indicator, it is gray, so it's not giving you anything, but usually a buy signal and you get out when it turns orange and yellow. But if you're using straight up my yellow boxes, we're gonna get out just before it gets into the box, just to be more safe. So I'm at 130. Trading a little smaller, trying to keep calm. Now, if this wants to come back up, I'm probably going to...
Introducing Ironbeam, the best choice for futures trading. Ironbeam is the industry-leading
put a buy there.
catering to traders worldwide. With the free
So it's not,
Ironbeam
so it doesn't
platform
become a
and free
loser.
real-time data, you can trade the most popular futures contracts anywhere and from any device. Low day trade margins, free depth of market, hundreds of indicators, and trading directly off the chart. Makes your
No, I'm selling. I put a stop loss, I take profit loss just in case. Might get a drop right here soon. We don't know where the top is here though. I don't know yet. I'm gonna say if it comes above here, then I want out. So this was the deal. 5 minute. We thought it was gonna go long. Look at this whip. Instead, it rejects down, breaks below. So we go to the 1 minute. That was a 5 minute chart. We're in the 1 minute. Breaks below this zone here. Heavy sell. More into a bearish flag, and now we're into an oversold candle. So we're like right there. If we want to take profit right now, we could. I'm curious if it's going to hit though. All right, we hit. And that's how you do it. Simple, right? Joke. Not simple. my indicator, you can join my Discord. It's free. And then you got to go to the VIP section and follow the link. There's a 30-day trial. After that, it's about $1 a day. If you guys want to join my Discord anyway and help me out, that'd be cool. We're at 120 members. It can still go down. You're right, Libs. Am I gonna show any more long or shorts? Yeah, if I see it. Are you new to trading, Sean? Cause you sound like it. Just watch and learn, bruh. I don't know. So right now, if we were to go from bottom to top, we're at the 61%. So we can easily start coming back up, but we gotta wait and see. I don't see any targets yet. Oh, you've been trading for a year? Why are you asking me so many silly questions? Not to be mean. Or do I sound mean? Now, usually, it's been denying these. We're going to do one contract only. You can see up here what my open is. Or over here. We're up $355 in the past hour. Wow, it's 406? Didn't fucking know that. I should be trading very lightly. Maybe it's something else. I've been noticing that every time I get in these, it's fucking... This keeps going past where I want. Even though you look back on it and it's... I followed it to the T, so I'm so confused. I'm so glad I finally figured out how to pin this. This thing was driving me cuckoo, dude. Thanks for the follow. If you guys aren't following me, help me out. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. It's been days. since my stream has been good. I don't understand. Trying to figure it out. But we're gonna get it back. We're not gonna give up. So I'm wondering, these trend lines want to be touched. Which one wants to be touched first? We can also take this indicator and we can change it to a lower one, like a 5.
The market is closed.
I don't know if we take profit trade. I mean, that was for Top Step. Like, what the fuck do you want here, guy? What do you want here, guy? Crisscross apple motherfucking sauce. I've been grabbing my old trend lines and carrying them over, not changing the angle. Same path, top in both. Yeah, I've been noticing that too, the bigger ones, right?
Here at Canyon to talk you through our new gravel bike, the Grizzly.
I usually do that, but there's so fucking many. This is insane how many there are. I'm curious, like, let's see what this one does. No, see? I don't like it. I don't like it.
That's right, this is an gravel bike. Now before you fire on down in the comments, just wait a minute and hear me out. We all love gravel bikes. They're fantastic all-rounders you can use on a variety of terrain. If you could only have one bike for road and off-road, it would be a gravel bike. So with the Grizzlon, we set out to deliver all that's great about.
Now, there is a short here, but just be careful because we're at, what, 411 now? Which one? This one? Took a minute. We're gonna get to 100? Jeez. Now, as soon as this turns orange or yellow, I'm gonna get the fuck out. So this is usually my bread and butter. I've been fucking up a little bit by doing the other styles. This one and this one's good. If candles don't have color and no sense of direction, I go right to the pullback zones. Because I need some room. It's too small right here. This can whip back and forth. If it was a lot further down, then yeah, I would move it down. Does that make sense? Like, this is only 7 points. You could easily whip up and come right back down. But if it was like down here, then I could slide it down more and more. I usually use my candles as an exit strategy and my pullback cloud. It can keep falling when it changes colors. It's just hey, maybe we're at a reverse point. Be careful. But you can see all day that it's kind of went really far past. It's usually not like this. Welcome to Trump market. But it is afternoon, so just be careful. There's probably some earnings coming out soon. Or if they're not out already. It's stalling a lot here. So I'm going to take this out.
Order filled.
Doesn't mean it's not going to continue down. I just, you see how it's curling? I'm not trying to be like this morning where I was fucking holding on too long. No, that's great that you move it down. That's amazing. When there's a signal here and I'm on a 1 minute time frame, my stop loss is usually behind the cloud. So if it closes above the cloud, I'm out. I'm wrong. And then I'll usually hold it until it's orange or yellow or some kind of, hey, we're pulling back. Now, if it starts dropping like crazy, then I'll start bringing a stop loss down. It shouldn't be expired. Let me try. I gotta fix this. It doesn't let me do it when I'm in streaming. Thank you. Appreciate it. And if you don't know how to do it, just you can put that in Google too. The link. If you guys are in here and not following me, give me a follow. Help me out. Help a brother out. Okay, so this didn't update yet, but in the 30-second chart, we had this pullback zone, and then it launched up. That's a 30-second. So if you want to go a little bit faster, see what's happening, then we'll go back to the 1 minute. Right at the top of this cloud, it looks like we're going to go up. I don't want to jump in too soon, but it looks pretty juicy to go up. And then next stop, see, we have a whole number here too. At the 150, so I'll put it usually right before it, but technically if we wanted to, we'd probably push it up here. Now if this starts closing below the cloud again, then we're wrong completely. Thanks for the follow. Nice. What made you get in there? So it's still very, oh look at the 5-minute pullback zone. See how we went down into it? And now we are denying it, and now we're gonna start going up, it looks like. There's a wave 3 pullback. Spike indicator. It's already overbought. What's it called? Spike indicator? But what's it called? What's it called? Hoffman Spike. This one's made by Rod Hoffman Spike. Are you on Top Step? Oh, you're on Apex. Come on, bruh. Trading view, trading view. Needs to break through here. Also, if that sell sticks, it's not valid. Candles closed above the cloud, indicating not valid. But doesn't mean it won't go down. It's just an invalid signal. Yeah, I think it's good for like the month usually. The data. I haven't tried out their new software. Does it look like TradingView or is it something else? Now this short, it's invalid if you guys are just tuning in. Invalid short because the candlestick closed above the cloud recently. So the next one is not good. Doesn't mean it won't go down, so just be careful. It just looks like it wants to go up. Still got some room here to the cloud. Also on the 5-minute, up, down, pullback zone, going up. This is the next target, 178 on the 5-minute, if you wanted to do that. 1 minute hasn't drawn up anything yet. 179, same shit. But if you wanted to do like the 50, it'll probably be like right here. Oh yeah, I'm sure it's fucking after hours. It's 424, so it's probably dying price. Now that it's a little bit slower, let's look at to see if there's any earnings. It doesn't look like it's till the afternoon. All of them came out at 12:05. Australia's at 7. That's a big one. PMI. It doesn't look like it's going to hold. Anything past, so now this is the aggressive pullback. If it can't hold here, then I'm out. Then I'm out! To the upside or downside? That's because of the bond. I don't know what that crash was. If that was the bond, I mean, the bond is supposed to crash for the longest, for fucking 7 years, all the experts say. But if that was, I would love to know, like, what was the actual reason.
In just under 90 days. And check this one out, 27,000.
Oh, weak bond market. Okay, so was it? As investors wondering how U.S. will manage its debt. I don't know. We just got a shit ton of money. What the fuck? Alright, so it didn't close below it. This square. But if you look on a broader range, it went below the cloud, so be careful. So if it goes below this, then I'm wrong. Then I'm wrong. Short based off a spike. one's fucking moving, guys. Here we go. Still the zone here, so it's just bouncing back and forth. That's 2. There we go. Look at the 5. So we're right into that cloud. Honestly, I might close this. Let's see what happens. Only because it's just fucking farting around here. But if it breaks here, we should start skyrocketing. There we go. Problem is, I can easily deny this entire thing. I think I'm gonna take it.
Order filled.
I think that's all she wrote for tonight, guys. It's 4:33. If you're not following me, give me a follow. If you're not in my Discord, join Discord. We're trying to grow it up, make it bigger. If we get big enough, you know, around 1,000 followers, I'll start giving away shit. I don't really care. Maybe we'll give away some shit beforehand. I don't know yet. Still trying to get bigger here. But if you're not following me, give me a follow on TikTok. We're trying to fix the algorithm with it. It's not liking me lately. If you guys have been around here before, you know that I was having like 100 people watch me. But it's just been really hard lately. I don't know why. It's not liking me. It says I'm a loser. But if you're ever curious what I'm going to be on, I mostly post in Discord when I'm going to be on. And when I'm not streaming, I will post stuff in there. What I'm thinking, what I'm looking at. And stuff like that. I can't look it up, Spike, unless I have the Apex software, but I only have Tradevate Apex, unless I can transfer over. It's finally breaking above, too. What a bitch. I can Google it. I've been trading for over 10 years and I kind of have my set ways. All the indicators that I'm using is stuff that I coded myself. I don't really like too many other codes. Unless it's like RSI for divergence. And I kind of want to, I want to go over today's signals to see how it would have been. So 9:30. Spiking above, spiking above. Flag means it broke the high. I need to start doing this too.
Introducing Iron Beam, a bright choice for futures trading. Iron Beam.
We're just seeing how the signals would have done today if I just did signals. All right. Buy. Okay, so it started to change colors, so I would normally just take out one. And then we can see if it wants to go up a little bit more, but usually, okay, so now we got a gold. Second one, all right, we're gonna take it out. It can continue up if it wants, but I wanna lock in some profit. All right, we got another buy signal here. Okay, so this closed below. It's not liking it. We could do one more because that was an awkward one, but still. It still didn't like it. We're going to close it even though it's at break even. Okay, another buy signal. So close below it. So there's our loser. There is a lot of boxes here, but so we don't take this signal because the candle's closed below. Still very shaky. We don't touch this. We don't touch it. We continue a little bit more. All gray candles. We stay out of it. This is just signals alone. Okay, that was the first one. We could probably justify getting in that one, but we'll continue. Break it above. All right, second signal. All right, this one's stuck. All right, it's yellow already, unfortunately. We could make it break even or $4 loss and see if it wants to spike. Okay, it didn't. We're below the cloud again. Usually we're just done for today. We're walked away. Still going up and down, up and down. Okay, we got a short. Now we could usually get an orange, but it went right back to red. That'll be another short. So we're in too deep. Stop loss is behind the cloud. Alright, that was pretty big, so we're going to take out one. We probably could take the entire thing out if you wanted to. Alright, so we went right to my trend line, so we're going to close that out. It continued. Alright, usually we don't take a sell on an orange candle, which means oversold. Yellow is extreme oversold. But look at this fucking drop. So it looks heavy. So it's a gamble. It's a gamble. As long as the this is where my stop loss would be.
It's your track, brother. Yeah, alright.
As the relentless tick of the clock.
All right, it hit. I gave back a lot there.
The past becomes the present. And for a brief moment.
Short, we don't take that because candles closed above the cloud. We'd have to wait for a second one without it closing. Okay, here it is. Damn, it's already orange too. See how it turned yellow? I should have watched. I should have seen that. But we should be closing this. So it was a very frustrating day, you can see. But if I did a little bit better money management and stopped trying to wing a little bit extra, then we would have been okay. Continuing. All right, this looks good. Okay, yellow. So we take it out. Stop loss behind. Take profit. Alright, it'll return orange, so we have to be careful of that. We'll take one out. Another short stuck. Gotta be careful, it's already orange again. Take one out. So it looks like it kind of wants to go up, right? Alright, kick this out. See, if we would have just taken out like 3 of them, we would have been okay. Man, what a rough day. We actually lost it. So we were up like 400 bucks. Gave it back. So you could see like it would have been a small losing day and you would have saved your money. Most of you guys probably blew your accounts today. But when it works, this thing fucking works. But it's very hard market lately. This is the Trump market. %, today. Not good, not good. Now we're gonna try to do some pullback zones. See how that would have worked. We'll go over the other one later. I gotta go eat dinner and shit. So we did come out profitable towards the end. Very hard day again to trade. It is what it is, guys. If you guys can, size down. Size down until this fucking heartache stops. If you're not following me, please give me a follow on TikTok. If you guys are interested in any of my indicators, join my Discord. It's in the bio. Other than that, I might be on later, guys, but I will be on tomorrow at 9:30. Later.